planner, which is the Sketchy Florals, and it is a classic size happy planner. If you have just found me, welcome. I hope you like it here. If you like stickers and spreads, I'm sure this might be something for you. If you are coming back to spend more time with me, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. And let's go ahead and get started on the spread. So I'm going to be using two books, the Winter Locks from the Live Love Posh and Ice and Snow from Easter Case. Those are the two books that I wanted to use in today's spread, and that's kind of what I'm going for. So here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and start with all of the flowers from Live Love Posh. I did choose that winter blue gray florals. I think they are so stunning. If you have never used these stickers, they're so beautiful. And for the first time, I am an affiliate of Live Love Posh, so if you use Kasha10, you're gonna get 10% off, and I do get a small commission from them, so I would appreciate, because every penny counts. And as you guys know, I don't do this for money. I do it simply for fun and the beauty of the planner. It brings me just so much joy to be able to do this. So I'm gonna go ahead and add all of these florals to the bottom of it and see how that goes. I love creating spreads like this, so where it's like elements of winter and florals and everything together kind of grabs the hold of me, and I truly enjoy this. So here we go. These are like gray, green, blue. It's a hue of different things, and when I add things to it, it's gonna give it even more different colors. So bear with me as we add elements into this spread. Super excited. Okay. So now I'm gonna go ahead and go into this book and see what it has to offer, and then we're gonna go ahead and add elements. For sure, I want this girl. She looks stunning. These are the first few pages of this book are clear, and I do have this opaque backing. So even though it's a clear sticker, like the lines and stuff are barely showing, as you can see, not like through the florals, so I didn't have to white out the lines. Right now, I'm just gonna grab my stencil. This is a Happy Planner Checklist stencil. It is meant for the classic size Happy Planner. I don't do the lines, but I use the circles, like the bullet points. That just gives me like the advantage of writing as small or as big as I want to. And I really do like that aspect of being able to plan to kind of write as much as I want. Also, if I don't need as many to-do lists on a particular day, it's much easier to cover a little circle than it is a full line. So that's the second reason why I do it. Like last week, I was so sick. I did end up covering quite a few of them out with different things. So yeah, it just depends. Okay, back to the stickers. I want to add a couple more elements. Of course, boxes are a must, so we're gonna use those like blue-gray boxes from the Live Love Posh book, because how can I not? And yeah, so I finally got a full set of these sticker books from Live Love Posh, both the Locks Flowers and the Seasonal Elements. So I'm pretty excited about it. Before, I think I only had one or two of those books. I know I had the winter one, and I think I had the fall one. So now I do have a full arrangement of them. I can't wait to do like more spreads with those stickers. But I'm also going to be using these stickers right now. Look how pretty these circles are when I write in them. I don't want them like all over, but a couple I think might look really good. So I'm gonna go ahead and add that right here. Let me know what you think. It's gonna look slightly different. Um, but yeah, these stickers definitely get me excited for planning and adding beautiful arrangements. So now I'm gonna use the rest of the regular boxes within the spread. I do like having a box a day to kind of commemorate the main thing of the day, whether it's something with my dog or something with my boyfriend or with myself or an appointment or like a long day at work. I do tend to put all of those things down on paper. So when I go over my planner, it just feels good to remember, or it feels bad to remember, because sometimes I feel like my life is escaping from under my fingers. Either way, right? So it is a memory nevertheless. I'm gonna go ahead and add some more elements. Obviously not Christmas ones in here. However, I would like to add a couple sparkles and couple winter items in here. Look at this floral arrangement, like with these white flowers and like blue little things poking through. It is simply stunning. I will be using more and more of this book throughout as I just got it. And I think, like I said, it is super stunning. You can also use a discount code with Easter Case, both of these. So for Easter Case, it's Kasia, Kasia, for 12% off. For Live Love Posh, it's Kasia10 for 10% off. I truly appreciate you guys using any of my codes. It really warms my heart when you guys choose to use mine, and I'm just grateful. So I'm gonna add a couple more things. I want like a couple ice cubes in here. So let's go ahead and add that right there in between the florals. I think that looks kind of cool. Very different, like no rhyme or reason for it, but that's what I want. I'm gonna go ahead and add this cold as well to this side. And I might add like another saying or something on the other side. I don't know what yet, but I will work on it in a little bit. I do want to add this really frozen lantern. I think I'm going to add it right there in between the florals. Like it's sticking out of the florals, you guys. And as you know me, if you have been watching, you know that I love a very full spread. So that's exactly what I'm going for. I'm going to be adding elements throughout as I go until the spread is full. So yeah, we're going to keep going and keep adding little things. And obviously, as I fill out this spread, it's going to get more and more filled up. So yeah, it's... When I show you the January flip through, you guys will see how full it is and how different it looks from when I start. I do tend to add little elements here and there as I do it, like a little flower or this or that, depending on what this spread needs and as I'm writing, how it fills up. So I sometimes will draw my own little boxes and things like that into the spread as well. I don't want to add any other color like red or anything like that, so I'm very careful about what I'm picking. This is going to be a little bit of a stretch with some of the pink in these crystals, but I think crystals and winter go hand in hand. And yeah, so for right now, I think I'm gonna just add some of these florals to the top. So the way I do it, I will pick a floral with all four sides and cut the edges off and add to like the dates and stuff to kind of have something interesting on top. It doesn't have to be like a full on frame, but just a little bit here and there makes a big difference, at least to me. Like when something is standing out and adding a color to the spread makes me super happy when it looks good. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut all the sides, add this to the spread, and I'm gonna pop it back into my planner, and that will be it. I hope you guys enjoyed that one. I know it's a very full winter wonderland. Like I said, this will change even more once I write in it. But I'm so grateful that you guys were here and you were spending time with me. Thank you so much, and I'll see you soon for another video. And I hope you guys have a great week ahead. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye.